Good evening, everyone. Mike, AE0MT, with another short little video about the satellite station tracking. Right now, the antennas are tracking the International Space Station on a low pass of about 25 degrees elevation from the southwest. It's just I'd like to see a short little video of it moving here. I've reinforced things a little bit, putting a piece of fiberglass behind the antennas just to hold up the coax. That seems to help. It's just attached to the back of the booms. Gives the coax something to be mounted to. The antennas will go down to a low point of 10 degrees elevation and a high point of 90. A little bit of wobbling back and forth yet, but not too bad. The Yaesu G800 rotor that's at the center of the Azmuth system does have PWM capability. But there's still a little bit of tweaking that needs to be done. I'm possibly considering adding a PID control to the motor to get a little bit more smooth action. But so far it seems to be working quite well. It's hard to see from this vantage point, but it's about 15 degrees, 20 degrees up at the moment. And it will work its way down as the pass finishes here. Yaesu G800 rotator at the base, the mass clamp mounted at the bottom of the rotator. The top of the rotator is the aluminum plate that's mounted to everything. A pair of pillow block bearings attached to that plate support the crossboom. The crossboom has an aluminum center section for structural and the 4-foot fiberglass arms that extend off from there. It's about 8.5, 9-foot wide crossboom. Two antennas mounted at the tips. The elevation is controlled by a linear actuator attached to a lever at the top of the crossboom onto the aluminum section. The linear actuator will push out to increase elevation, and feedback is controlled by the little gray box that you see just up to the left of the actuator, essentially just above that plate. That gray box is attached to the crossboom, and inside of that gray box is a linear accelerometer. That accelerometer is used to sense the inclination of the crossboom, the same way your cell phone knows what way. Sorry about that, the camera stopped. So all that control will feed back down into the shack to the Arduino Mega controller that I have controlling the whole thing. It's able to communicate with various different pieces of software and go wherever we point it. Looks like we're getting to be about the end of the pass. The antennas are only maybe 10 degrees above the horizon right now and just slowly tracking to the end of the ISS pass. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. This is Mike, Alpha Echo 0, Mike Tango, Amateur Extra 0, Mike Thompson, 73s.